Shipping container garages have become a trend in modern construction, captivating the imagination of home renovators and builders alike. The appeal lies not only in their robust structure but also in their contribution to environmental sustainability by repurposing existing materials. The versatility of shipping containers makes them an ideal choice for creating sheds, garages, and even barns on expansive properties. Their standardized shape and size provide a canvas for innovative designs that blend functionality with eco-conscious living. In this video presentation, we explore the transformative use of two shipping containers as the outer walls of a barn. This ingenious approach not only minimizes waste but also delivers lockable storage solutions for a variety of farm necessities, including equipment, animal feed, and vehicles. The exterior of the barn showcases the harmonious integration of two shipping containers, serving as the backbone for the structure. These containers, durable and weather-resistant, not only contribute to the overall stability of the barn but also provide secure compartments for valuable items. The lockable storage spaces are perfect for safeguarding tools, animal feed, and machinery, offering a practical solution for organized farm management. Step inside and you'll discover the vast potential of the interior space. The barn's design allows for the parking of tractors and larger farm equipment, ensuring they are sheltered from the elements and easily accessible when needed. The efficient use of space optimizes storage and functionality, creating a seamless blend of practicality and aesthetics. Shipping container barns are not just about repurposing, they are a statement of adaptability. Whether you choose to use the container as is or as the foundation for your ultimate shed, the possibilities are endless. The barn can evolve to accommodate changing farming needs, providing a versatile and durable solution for various agricultural applications. As we witness the growing trend of shipping container barns, it's clear that innovation and sustainability can go hand in hand. These structures not only reduce waste but also offer a blueprint for constructing efficient, eco-friendly spaces that meet the demands of modern farming. Embrace the future of agricultural architecture with shipping container barns, where functionality meets environmental consciousness.